the number one it does, that they're famous for playing into the lawn and to the fans. Hear a voice crying out that the fans just are responsible. The wind of service
through the tree of bliss with the land. Let me sing, kill a person, we are go kill a person like that. Through the tree, my go just out a song like that. Kill a person, we are go kill a person like that. Through the tree, my go just out a song. That's all them a go, them a do no problem. No circle.
Yo, anyway. Still that tree. Champion song, someone have to know that. Anyway, yeah? We can live if we are done. On the coffin, I'm put on a sound clash. For the one that will be pay if you don't. Someone was lonely. They never know. See the tree of the tiger. Come on and tell me woo. Just tell me who of the tiger. I wanna know woo. Just tell me who of the tiger. The tree of the tiger. Oh yeah. Still the trees are rude. Step up on the mix and I cannot sing. I saw my pocket is empty. Now without further ado, I present to you the undisputed champion of the dance hall, Studio 3 Sam, in the class bouncer. Killing champion sounds. Run it, finish that. Start the punishment. Raise my leg, DJ Dwayne. On the message of burn the flame. Yeah! Set it!
Shoot the tree with DJ Dwayne.
Oh yeah. Shoot the breeze and rude. Step up on the mix and I cannot sing. I said my pocket is empty. No, just no bad, Lord. God knows his own.
Through the tree song, some boy, no. Actually, big up man like Dwayne. Through the tree song, respect to you, so much of the foolish and say, Davil representing. That's a breathing shot, yeah. Through the tree, real song. Listen. Oh, thinking about the younger years. Keep on holding my girl and me. Listen to the tree playing in the party. And no one can take that away from me. You see, I've heard so many songs before, and that's over now. So the tree keep us.
It's a climb in the mountain and free the deep picture, searching for my survival. Make some guns to the tree, make some songs.